kasi talagang parang...
We all want accountability. We all want the government to be accountable for our actions, for government contracts, for the services that they provide to the public. And this is what the FOI bill is all about.
Ako po bilang kinatawan ng kalusugan ay nalulungkot na 60% of our people die without seeing a nurse or a doctor. So we should know where our money goes. Katulad po ay...
The whole idea, I believe, of the Freedom of Information Bill, among other things, is to institutionalize this culture of accountability and transparency. And really, I think those who have witnessed what has happened in our country now realize that we really need to take this further step. And nothing is more concrete than the Freedom of Information Bill.
FOI, kahit na anong administrasyon pa ang maupo, ito po'y sandata natin para magkaroon ng mas malinis at mas angkop na gobyerno para sa ating lahat.